Hi, class. Good to see you. Miss Rogers here. Okay, this is our last question for the day about probability. Are you ready? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Perfect. Okay, here's our question. 2 coins are tossed. You win $5 if both coins are heads up when they land. You win $3 if both coins are tails up when you land, and you lose $4. So you have to give someone else $4 if the coins both land and they don't match. So that means one's on heads, one's on tails. What is the expected value of the game? Is the game fair? Wow. This one's tricky, but it sounds fun. Okay, you know what the rules are. Let's work it out. Pencil, paper. Ready, set, go. Okay, guys. So, you have your pencil. You have your paper. Now, let's remember. You win 5 if they land on heads. You win 3 if both land on tails. And you lose $4 if the coins don't match. To find the expected value, we have to calculate these numbers somehow, right? We've got to figure out the outcomes and the probability. In order for this to be a fair game, our value has to be at 0. Okay, so first let's think about the ways that these tails and heads could go. My first thought is, okay, there's 2 coins, both land on heads. What do you get? You get $5. If both coins land on tails, what do you get? $3. If both coins don't match, so one's on heads, one's on tails, you have to take away $4. If you want to help you, you could write add signs there. Tails and heads, you're going to lose $4. So I think this is a really good visual for this question. So each outcome has what? 1 out of 4 probability, right? Because 1 and there's 4 total. 1 over 4. 1/4 is our probability. Okay, so this is where it gets a little tricky, but we got this. We've got to calculate all this now. So if you did 5 times 1/4, 3 times 1/4, 4 times 1/4, 4 times 1/4. That looks scary. But remember, whole numbers just have a 1 underneath it, okay? So 5 times 1/4 is just 5 over 4. 3 times 1/4 is 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. Same for here. 4 over 4, 4 over 4. We just moved those ones around, right? We just took those out and we made our new ones, our fractions. Okay, but remember, we did some little add signs and minus signs because we're going to get money and we're going to give money away. So now we've got to calculate all this. So we're going to take a positive 5 plus 3, but are we going to get $4? No, we're going to take $4 away. And all of this goes over our 4 probabilities up here, our 4 possible outcomes. Now, all we'd have to do is calculate. 5 plus 3 is 8. Minus 4 is 4. Minus another 4 is just 0. Is that a fraction? No, it just is 0. So wait a minute. Didn't I say at the beginning our expected value needed to be 0 Did we get 0? Oh my gosh, we sure did. So, this game is fair because our expected value is $0. Now, I went fast on this one because it's a more simpler question. But does that mean it's simple to you? No, not at all. There will always be time for practice. There will always be more time to get better. If this, working it out like this, doesn't help you, next time we can try with actual coins. Some people are more of a hands-on visual learner. Sometimes having that coin in your hand and the ability to flip it over and test out these probability outcomes is the best way for you. We could even have $5 and $3 and $4. So, there's always a way to solve your math questions. Do not ever be discouraged. For whatever works for you, that's the best thing you need to do for yourself. So, I'm so proud of you guys. We did 3 questions today. All right, I'm going to see you next week. Bye.